If you have been scrolling through social media, seeing different types of content and feel I can do this, then you should do it. In this age, almost everyone wants to be a content creator, including you. Yeah, I know. Content creation has its benefits and challenges. But to be honest, content creation is amazing. Here are some of the benefits. Number one, content creation helps you to share your passion. Yes, imagine if you know how to cook, you know how to bake, you know how to sing, you know how to dance, you know how to talk. Social media allows you to share your knowledge and connect with people who have interest in what you do. Like you get people to stay glued to you just with your creativity. Number two, content creation allows you to be your own boss. It allows you to plan your own schedule. Like you do anything you want to do with content at your own pace and time. Even if you are working as a 9 to 5 or you want to make content creation your full-time job, you have all the power to make it work, because you can work anytime and anywhere with your internet. So you have nothing to worry about, you have nothing to stop you. You have all the freedom to plan and execute. Number three, content creation allows you to build a community. Yes, you can connect with viewers all over the world just from your home. You can build a loyal audience who supports your journey and become your family. You do what they love. They have interest in you. They are ready to do anything you want them to do for you. Number four, content creation provides monetization potential. Yeah, it's a sweet thing to do what you love and still get money from it. There are a lot of ways you can monetize your content, from ads to partnership to sponsorship to collaboration, to you bringing your product into the content you create. But here is it. Content creation is not a guaranteed get rich quick scheme. Yes, it's possible to get rich, right? But it's not the get rich quick. You understand, right? You need to build. There are a lot of things you need to put in for you to be able to get your results. If you have not watched my video on how to become a content creator and the necessary equipment you need to start without breaking the bank, then you need to watch it. You can check anywhere on your screen. I will also leave the links in the description for you to watch them. Yeah, content creation is not all that rosy. There are some challenges you will encounter before starting or along the line. So the number one challenge you will encounter as a content creator is hustling to create quality content all the time. Creating quality content takes time and efforts. From getting the idea to putting your idea in place, like the scripting, to filming yourself, editing and posting. It's a consistent learning and hustling cycle with a whole lot of hard work. The number two challenge you will face as a content creator is staying motivated. Facing low views, low engagement, and negative comments can be discouraging. You need a thick skin and a strong why to be able to keep going when things get tough. So before becoming a content creator, you should have your strong why. The number three challenge you will face as a content creator is the algorithm factor. Social media algorithm can be tricky. It takes time and strategies to get your videos seen by the right audience consistently. Yes, you need to have your toe on ground and your hands on deck. The number four challenge you will face as a content creator is the comparison mindset. Yeah, it's very easy to compare yourself with successful creators, right? But remember that everyone started from somewhere. These challenges will come, but it takes focus for you to be able to achieve your goal. Every successful content creator you see out there face these challenges every day, while some have overcome these challenges. So because they survived it, you too can survive it, but it depends on you. So is content creation the right career for you? The truth is, if you are passionate about creating content, have the drive to learn and can handle the challenge, then you should go for it. Yes, because it has incredible rewards. So what excites you most about being a content creator? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful to you, and if you are ready to join me on this journey, subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your notification so that you will not miss any of my videos. Let's build something great together. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.